Hello and welcome back to another Tuba Makes video. Today I'm joined by my Elegoo Centauri Carbon, and it's bricked now. It won't boot. Let's get into it. The Centauri Carbon had over 200 print hours when I turned it off one day, leaving the USB stick in. I came back the next day, turned it on, and it went through the normal boot up process. It showed me the Elegoo logo animation and then stopped. It did not go any further after that point. I wonder if it tried to flash a G-code file as its own firmware, and it bricked itself at that point. I got in touch with Elegoo support. They wanted a video of the boot process, and once they had reviewed that with their team, they said, we are going to send you out a new motherboard. They did not ask for my motherboard back, so hopefully that gets fixed with future firmware. There was a firmware update after this happened. It wasn't reflected in the release notes if this specific issue had been addressed. Hopefully they're aware of it and what is causing this, and they can figure it out. If I were you, I would not boot my Centauri Carbon with the USB stick installed. I would also not go through the update process with the USB stick installed. Once you've started a print from a file on your USB stick, that gets copied to the internal memory. I would remove the USB stick. I would not leave it in this printer. If your printer is no longer booting, it's time to contact Elegoo support. They're probably going to want a video of it booting up, so go ahead and take that, host it somewhere, send them a link, and they'll send you out a new motherboard. Thank you so much for watching. This video was not sponsored by Elegoo. I did not receive these products for free, paid for them with my own money. There's an affiliate link in the description down below. If you're interested in checking out the Centauri Carbon or any other Elegoo products, filament, resin printers, other filament printers, please use the link in the description down below. I'd really appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.